Life move fast and you do what you want.
There he is, guys.
This time doing what I want.
He's eating.
You do what you want.
Oh, that's cute. It feels like fall.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hi, say hey guys. I am going swimming. No. So, hey guys, good morning. Well, it's afternoon. We are actually ready. I'm here just waiting on my sister, my nephews, and nieces. We are actually heading out for some family adventure today. It's been a few years since I have seen them, and since they are in town, we're going to go spend some quality time together. So the cousins, they haven't seen each other in how many years? Well, two of them haven't seen each other in 13, almost 14 years. Last time they saw each other, we were facing each other's bump. Yes, they were in the belly. That's how crazy that is. So these two are gonna see each other for the first time in how much years, which is crazy. Don't mind Miss Rachel up in the back, guys. It's Romario to kind of get him, make sure that he's okay. I'm just here drinking some tea, but we're all packed to go. Yeah, so we're all ready to head out, and just going to go have some nice family fun. Mr. Williams ready for mommy. Here, Mr. Hello. Don't do this to me right now, okay? There's so much things we had to do at one time. Here, babe. Just take one from here, love. I think all these are empty. Here, love. Take one of those ones. Alright, so hoping to get some footage for you guys, and I will introduce you guys to the family when they get here. Well, when they get here, baby, gotta go downstairs, gotta go pull up the seat or Mario's stroller. What else is in the car? But anyways, we'll catch you guys when we're outside. Huh? Guys, they have me in the back. Oh no, look at my shirt dirty up. Lord have mercy. I didn't even see that. Shoot. So, so them push me in the back. So me in the back with the luggages because Mrs. legs are too long to come back here. I miss feet.
No man, you never watch.
Feet size can't hold back here so.
Hey. I mean it's down.
So I'm in the back. So there's everybody there. Of course. They push me all the way in the back, guys.
You don't want that. That not even say when you take a step.
Hello. But how you bright that dash your things back here on me? You don't get it. Nope.
I'm so hot. My nose is so hot.
That's alright. We finally reached.
Nothing. Not even tell me now.
We finally reached our destination.
Don't say this. Say no money now.
Oh Lord, guys. So we just found a parking spot after going around and couldn't figure out where to go.
It is cake.
What cake?
So you bring some mommy cake too?
So you bring food for yourself and I bring something for nobody else. I want to come out of the car so I can get out. Take the stroller. Oh my gosh.
Ow!
Hey, you go carry him? What you say? You go carry him? Eh? You can't manage to carry him? Okay, guys, let me come out of this. Well, there is the family. We are missing some, but we are at Panda's Wonderland. Oh. Well, let's see. Hey, miss that stage, Tanya? You missed that stage? What are you saying? Ready to be a grandmother now?
I can't get it now. I'm not ready for that. No, wait, I'm not ready yet. I'm make it at least 55 first.
Oh gosh.
Sorry for them, and anytime they come.
So we are here and I am hungry already. My god, so dirty. This place looks packed. Oh, you guys, you're past? You guys past? Past comes with food. You get yours with food? You get regular one? Steak?
I'm not pushing this tool of fire.
Oh gosh, okay. So you go get a lock. You wanna go get a locker? I don't know where.
What?
Where you guys wanna go first? What? I don't know. Who don't want to eat? Let's Tanya. Son. See, oh gosh. I'll push the stroller. Give me her Mario.
I want you to pick me.
Spitting like it wants to rain, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. The weather is kind of bipolar out here. We're just going to the locker to go drop off the stuff. So we had planned to go swimming, but it's windy, so we're not even sure if we're gonna even do that. But we will see how that goes. Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Oh my god. So this way. This way. Yes. Go on. Wait. Oh Lord. One left, no, left Memphis, them go on this one. No, this one. Yeah, we can't start with that ride.
That is fun. That ride is fun. Why would I go?
That's fun.
That's fun.
Are you gonna go on it?
I'm driving at the Tanya. It was so fun. I hate my body was
Okay. So, wait. No, sir. Yes.
We didn't leave Mario because we didn't
We didn't leave him. No, him there taking his precious time. Memphis and Malik, they're gonna go on this ride. Yeah. So they're gonna go on that ride. Mario's not going on. Mario just a look. Him, Mr. William, you don't want to go on the ride? Mario says too old for this. You're never too old. You're only as old as you feel. Oh gosh. And the girls them are over there standing. Alright. Look at that little kid babe going on a ride. So when the ride lifts off, we'll show you guys how it goes. Yeah. You wanna go on a ride, Papa?
No.
Yeah, you wanna go on a ride?
No.
Yeah. Say yeah, Dada. Say yes. Yes.
Say no.
Why are you beating up Dada for? Eh? Oh, they're locking in. I don't know. I don't know if they're down. I think my heart. See the other ride gone there. If my heart would have just dropped. Oh gosh. One time I used to go on all these rides, but I don't know. I think I just get too grown for these things now.
This one is new.
Yeah, this one is new. This is called the Thunder Twist. Yeah. So you have to So they're doing, yeah. So because what it does, it flips. I think it goes up.
Goes right over and spin and do a kind of pull.
Oh gosh. Well guys, the sun is hot out here. Hot. And I thought it wouldn't be too bad, you know, because since it was kind of spitting rain a little bit. But it looked like it just got even more heated.
Yeah, look, somebody in an empty seat up there.
Hmm?
We have an empty seat.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes, guys. Are you guys ready? Oh. And there it goes.
So the swing turns from the right.
And it turns on the other side. Oh shoot, look at it.
What the almost touching? Shit, you almost face. Says the almost touching what you are.
Oh, there they go. And it's going over, guys. Oh, not go over yet. Oh, it's coming back down. And here it comes. Holy.
Right over there now.
Oh, nice going over. Here they. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Somebody's like dying up there. You know, I think the scariest part is probably when it turns over. Would you guys go on this ride? There, he's right there. See the white shoes with the black pants? There's so he's on this side, guys. So on this side.
You're gonna even pay me $1 million to go on that ride. Are you crazy? Hi. You wanna go, Penny? You're a ball.
You know, go funny.
Yo. Okay, go.
No!
Why?
I'm only in the one that's that gray one.
What other one?
The gray, you see the little gray rods right there? That's what I'm going on. The one that we went on last time. Where it dipped into it almost touched the water.
Oh, it be over on the other side.
And then I'm gonna go on the other gray one that we were supposed to go on last time, but we had to leave.
There's him with the crazy hair. There he is, guys. Malik already had cringe up in teeth. Listen out for the screams. You will know who's who. Watch Memphis face. I just can't make you zoom up to catch him face.
Oh, my heart. Oh.
A man that you hear them make nice, you know? It's not even a woman.
Going foot, get up.
There it goes.
Right, we need to go.
Oh, it's going over.
That is disgusting.
Memphis foot stiffen out. I can't know the funny right here. Yeah, man. Yeah, I must. It sounds like me or Malik. It sounds like I hear Malik's mouth. Watch it.
Watch out, the boy into the shop. Drop it down.
Right, guys, so we are in this little dining area, eating. Yeah, we stopped to eat. Hey, Papa. Hello, me and Mario got, look, so this is my meal. I got a, yeah, that's my meal there. So I got a hot dog and fries, and a hot dog and fries and drink. $60. You know what we could have get if we went to a restaurant and go eat? But you pay for the place. That's how we should have. But we got the kids them the all day pass thing where their food is included. So they, and every 90 minutes I think they can go eat. But Mario, come, Papa. God, God. Here, come. Come. Lord of mercy, come. How many wipe? She want to go with it here. But Mario. Say hello. But Mario. Say I'm eating fries. Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum. So we're gonna go head out and do some rides after this. We are going to Kidsville, so Pops can go play. Come, babe. Look, see, we had the little helicopter and stuff. Hey. I wish I did a pic for him to go on. Eh? Yeah. They have the little helicopter. So you wanna go in this one with him? You know, see how many people your friend airline them. Why is your friend airline, guys? You just pick one. The sun is sunning. Hey, Rocky, tell them we're all the way. Where you wanna go? Huh? Which one you wanna go on? There's that one. Mario. There's an airplane. You're going on this one? Go. Oh my. Mario and Mario the Thunder little kitty ride. Oh, that's cute. I know. Like, I'll be able to get it. His first ride. No, actually, no, this is not his first one. I first ride on Canada's Wonderland. Look at his little face over there. Oh, too cute. So, we're currently waiting to see Mario in the line. The Pops, they're going to go ride. These rides over here. Well, not that one. The little helicopter is there. Going to ride. So, we're just waiting. They're doing the switch out. My Pops look like he's so tired. It looks like he wants to sleep. I end up going in the water park because it's closed at 5. Yeah. I don't know why they closed it at 5. They should open it till later because the sun don't set till 9. And it is just after 5 now. Trying to get some shady. Oh Lord. But thank God for the good weather out here. We're getting breeze. It's hot. But it's not that hot that you can't get no breeze. I get a breeze because it's very windy. Some of the rides they've had to stop because it's too windy for the rides them to go. So some of the rides them kind of at a stop. Sleeping. Aww, look at Shinoko. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh gosh. The big kids them of course left us, so they're with their cousins going on rides. So we're gonna go meet up with them after. But I feel like some ice cream. We're not gonna get some funnel cake. You see, hear the wind, guys? Holy. So that is the wind is starting to pick up. But yeah, we're just here enjoying ourselves. Okay, so there is Mario and Pops. They're finally on the ride. It only took like almost what, a half an hour to an hour because they were switching out some of the rides and fixing some things. So they're on the little helicopter ride. Boy, the wind is crazy out here. It has turned up. There they go. I probably won't be able to see them because I don't know where they're gone now after this. But, somewhere. Oh, we're just in the kids zone area still. Everybody's still riding, and there they go. It's the Faye, Arissa, and Talia on this ride here. You hear Arissa mouth? I can hear her mouth already. Hear that? Me hear Arissa. Hear Faith. I know their screams. I hear Faith scream and I hear Arissa scream. I know them go scream. Wait, third row to the back. So they're in the third buggy there. Then quiet now. There's a hot one that cool time batam. Look at me! She feel Look at me! Oh my god! Say hi guys! We're still here. Alright, so we're still here. They're about to go on another ride. Guys, it is freezing. Oh, so cold. Whew. It feels like fall the way it's so cold here. Oh, you got your own phone? Say hello. Say hello. Alright, so Memphis them went on the Python, I think it's called, and I'm here waiting. So these guys, the 5 of them, they're going on this ride. So I'm sitting here watching, waiting for them. I'll show you guys them. Yay! No ride for me today, guys. I'm just here chauffeuring. I don't want to go on no rides. No ride. So I'm just the camera girl. Just recording. They are over there in the line. So this is the ride that they're going on. I don't even know what this ride is called. So they're starting to put on the lights because it's well after 7. What time is it? I don't even know. Oh, it's 7:17 right now. So when they get closer, guys, I'm on the ride. I will show you. Guys, so they are on this ride. Let me see if I can see where they are. They have Mario, you have Tanya, Faith, Talia, and Arissa on this ride. So the 5 of them are gone on this ride. Let me see if I can spot them out. Yeah. So this is Mario's first ride and it's Tanya's first ride since they've been here. Actually, yeah, Mario's been on a couple with Pops, but like first adult ride. Yeah? Look, Papa, look. We're ready to see Dada? Are you looking? Are you looking? This ride is called the Nightmare Ride. Okay. Right. See if you guys can see them. Oh, there's Faith and Mario there. There's Rissa, Tanya, and Talia on one ride. Mario! And Faith right there. Alright, there they go. asking me yet. Oh no, what happened? What happened? Yes, you see that? Huh? Look, they're right here. Look, they're right here. They finally got everyone on a ride. Yeah! Tanya looks like she's about to die. Oh no! Yeah, she starts screaming already. Yeah, I can hear her. I can hear her. Oh God! Your face? I hear her too.